Hello, and welcome back to my second video on the COVID-19 impact and measures in a multi-business company. Have your planning assumptions been wiped out by COVID-19 and you need to reassess your profit and cash flow targets? Does your Excel model lack capability to rethink an integrated financial projection for your whole business? Let me show you how ProfitQube turns an uncertain future into a safe path and keeps your company afloat. The assumptions before COVID were sales quantity percentage increase on previous year, sales price increase based on market trends, production and trade product cost based on vendors' cost increase and discounts, make-to-stock production strategy applied to production division, selling cost percentage based on sales, operating cost percentage flat increase. Other assumption can be specific to your company. This is just an example. I will then introduce the disruptive factors triggered by COVID-19 in my third video. Please like and comment with any financial issues, questions or suggestions you have for me. Stay tuned for next videos to watch how, with the help of ProfitQube, I can fix your company problems. You can find the link to download the free version below this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.